Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to flip image in Pixlr. So it's very simple, all you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the app itself, Pixlr, and here go to the photos. Let's choose the photo you want to flip. So that's again the car. And here you have to go to the tools, and there you can see an option that says rotate. So let's tap in that. So you can tap either like horizontal flip, you can see. So we just flipped horizontally. So if you want to flip it like vertically, so you can tap in the option that's a vertical. You can also like adjust it manually, like according to you can also like rotate. So okay, it's very simple, right? You can flip it horizontally or like vertically. So this is how you flip off an image in Pixlr. It's quite simple. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.